name is Sean O'Brien and I'm 13 years old.
I'm Abby Arundel and I'm 15.
My name's Daniel O'Sullivan and I'm 14 years old.
I'm Michaela Nicholas and I'm 16.
Mary Ellis and I'm 15 years old.
My favourite thing about being on social media is probably just being feeling that I'm connected to other people.
Just seeing what everyone's doing really. I can communicate really easily.
That I can text my friends and check what's going on.
Texting my friends, looking at what they've been doing lately, that kind of stuff.
I probably spend a bit too long on it and then sometimes I just feel a bit tired afterwards and I don't feel like doing much other than just sitting down on the couch.
Probably the fakeness. There's a lot of fakeness I feel like, and a lot of the fake stuff probably.
And do you think it is addictive?
Yeah.
How so?
That you just keep scrolling, there's nothing stopping.
It's you have to snap someone every day to keep up your streak. It's just kind of annoying sometimes, you just forget about it and then you have to do it.
This is day 2 of me without my phone. I'm finding it fine, haven't cheated, just missing texting my friends the odd time on Snapchat, but other than that, it hasn't been the worst thing I've done in a while.
I think it was okay, but obviously I did cheat because I wanted to talk to my friends and I didn't just want to not, because it's hard when you live kind of in the countryside.
I don't think it'll ever work. People will always find ways to get around it.
Because of NordVPN or just lie about their age.
I don't know if it was face verification or something, they get their older sibling or something to do for them, or they might even look older than they are, so